Hey YouTube, today we're going to replace a 2-button remote select pass. Pretty easy. Okay, if you have the same one, I think it's for different models. Okay, take the back comes off. Okay, and this is what it looks like. All right, just take the battery comes from in here. You push it up through there. Okay, to reinstall it, you just push it back through here. And the battery is a lithium 3-volt CR2032. And all you need is this right here. Put everything back together and it should work. Hope this helps.